In this video, I'm going to show you a Web 2.0 tool called Quizizz, and I'm going to show you how it works. So first, to get to the website, it's quizizz.com, and once you get to the website, this is what it should look like. You can scroll down and see the different frequent asked questions, how it works, some other options. But it's nice because you don't have to create an account to use it. But if you want to create an account, you can. The advantage of creating an account is you can create quizzes and save your quizzes. So once you click on Get Started, this is what's going to come up. You can search for a quiz here, or you can see the featured quizzes down below. Now, all the featured quizzes, every quiz has a user attached to it, so who created it, what grade level it's for, and when it was created. So this was created 7 days ago, 9 days ago, and so on. When you hover over a quiz, a preview of the questions are going to come up, so that's nice in terms of saving you time so you're not clicking on lots of different quizzes to see what the questions are. And then if you want to search for a quiz, addition, I'll just click addition, and now I have lots of different addition quizzes. So I'll just select this first one. It was created 5 months ago, 3rd and 4th graders. So once I'm ready to use it, I click on it, and it brings up the option to play it. So I can click play and skip this, or I can go down. This is what it's tagged with, so math. I can duplicate it for my own account. I can get a link, and I can give this link to students so they can play it on their own time, so it's not just teacher-led, so they can play this by themselves. You can share it on Twitter or Pinterest or Google Plus or Facebook. And then down below, these are all the questions and how long each question takes. So 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Here's a 60-second one. And then all of the answers and all of the other possibilities. I'm going to click on play to start this. And right here we have I can proceed, but you can adjust the settings, and these settings are extremely helpful. So you can jumble the order of the questions for students, so that each student is on a different question. So that's one option. Show the leaderboard if you want to do rankings. Show answers at the end of the quiz, so students can see what they got right, what they got wrong. The question timer, so that is basically each question starts at 1,000 points and then slowly goes down to a minimum of 600 points if they get it right. So they could take 30 seconds and get 600 points. And then memes for pictures in between, whether they got it right or wrong, to just have some fun with the game. So I'm going to click on proceed. So at this point, the teacher is ready to go. The students would have to go to join.quizizz.com and enter in this code. So I'm going to open up a new window. We will make this a little bit smaller. Go to join.quizizz.com. It'll ask me for a game code. So as a student, I plug in the game code. I click on go. If you already did this, your name's going to be pre-filled in. You can change this if you want, or just keep it. Click on go, and then once I join, it waits for the teacher to start the game. So the teacher is going to see this side of it, and if the teacher doesn't like one of the nicknames, they can just click on this X and kick that student out and have them rejoin with a different nickname if you don't like that. Once the teacher's ready to start, all the students are in, then you just click on start game, and this one troops is showing you how many students join. So if you have 20 kids, you need to wait until that gets to 20. So I'm going to click on start game. There'll be a countdown on the teacher side and the student side, and we'll go through. Students are starting to answer. That's what the teacher will see, and then the students will see the question and the different possible answers. So they're doing this all by themselves on their own screen, on their own device. You can use it on iPads, on computers, whatever you want. And you'll see at the top that you'll see this little icon going across, and this is how many points the student's going to get. So right now there's 2 correct. You can see how that student is doing. Let's say I get something wrong. No points for you. And you see the correct answer right there. So it pops up as the correct answer, so students know what the correct answer ultimately was meant to be. And we'll go through and answer a few more correct, a few more incorrect, just getting to the end. And you'll see that as a class, 4 are correct, 2 are total incorrect. And you can end the game at any time for the teacher if students are taking too long. So we have a few more questions to go, and then I'll show you what the report looks like. So I don't know, 0 points, I'm just quickly guessing. Answer was 9, 19, 7 correct, 3 incorrect, and the game should be over at that point. So rank number 1, and the nice thing that the students see at the end is what questions they got right, what questions they got wrong, and what the correct answer is. So 8 plus 9 is 17. I got that one wrong, so I could review that type of question. On the teacher side, you're going to see all the different students, all the questions, how many people got it right, how many people got it wrong, and so on. And then the nice thing here is you can save the data. So I'm going to click on Save Data. It brings it up into Excel. And right here we have a nice spreadsheet. And right now we only have 1 student, but if there's more students, it would just keep going over. And then 10 plus 9, how many people got it correct, how many people got it incorrect in the class, and then how many people didn't even answer the question, so unattempted. And then it'll show you totals at the bottom. So for grading purposes, this first student, Joe, scrolling down, they got 7 correct, 3 incorrect. They got a 70%, so you can use this as a grade for students or overall quizzes. So that's pretty much it for using Quizizz. It's nice, it's a great website, it's a great tool for review. The kids like it.